Find a position that feels comfortable for your body. Allow your hands to rest gently. If it feels right, softly close your eyes. Take a slow breath in through your nose and slowly breathe out. Again, breathing in calmness, breathing out with ease. With every breath, allow yourself to settle into this moment. Now, bring your awareness to the space just below your navel. Imagine a warm orange light beginning to glow, soft and gentle. Picture yourself sitting beside a peaceful lake. The water is still, reflecting the golden light of the rising sun. Every now and then, a gentle ripple moves across the surface, expanding outward until the water becomes still once again. Notice the effortless rhythm of the lake, always moving, always returning to stillness. As you breathe, imagine the same gentle rhythm within you. With every inhale, the orange light grows brighter. With every exhale, it flows through your body like warm water, washing away tension, softening what has become heavy, making space for ease. There is nothing you need to force, nothing you need to control. Simply allow yourself to receive this moment. Feel the warmth surrounding you. Feel it flowing through your lower body, your abdomen, your hips, then gently through your entire being, like water finding its own path. Effortless, natural, free. Silently repeat, I welcome joy into my life. I trust the natural flow of life. I create freely. Rest here for a few quiet moments, simply breathing, simply receiving. Allow the warmth of this orange light to become part of you. Take a slow deep breath and gently begin to return. Become aware of the room around you. Notice the sounds nearby. Feel the surface supporting you. Take your time, and when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Welcome back.